Our today's topic is fiber to fabric. So let's begin with the part 1 of our topic. Humans are the best of the creations of Almighty. Besides the brain and the thinking ability, the modesty and behavior distinguishes humans from the rest of the creations. Another difference is clothing, which is exclusively for humans. We have learned that early humans did not wear clothes. They covered their bodies with the leaves of the trees and later with the skin of animals. Both these presented their own difficulties. Leaves become dry and withered. Skin of animals smelled rotten when they were wet, and when the skin dried, it becomes stiff and hard, causing difficulty in movement. With the passage of time, they learned the art of weaving clothes. Now, let's study about the purpose of physical clothing. Clothes protect our body from heat and dust. Clothes protect us from different types of weather. Clothes protect us from getting hurt easily. Clothes make us look nice. This was all about physical clothing. Now let's have a look on the purpose of spiritual clothing. When we offer namaz, when we make dua, when we regularly do istighfar, then this helps us in bringing us closer to Allah. It also strengthens our iman. Iman is having full faith in Allah. We should stay away from evil deeds and try to follow as much as sunnah as we can. Spiritual clothings come from taqwa. Taqwa is having consciousness of Allah. It is the outcome of love and passion a person has for his religion. It can be achieved through dua, sincere intentions, modest behavior, and righteous actions. Clothing also signifies difference in religion, culture, gender, and occupation of a person. Therefore, abstain from wearing clothes for arrogance, that is for showing off or for feeling superiority. We should not wear clothes that resembles the opposite gender. We should not wear clothes that resembles other religions. Thank you for watching.